Tatawid pa sila dito. Ayan. Not yet.
Tama lang yung dating natin. Tama lang yung dating natin. Hindi pa masyadong tao.
Alam mo kung bakit alam mo na kung ano yun. Ayun na siya.
O, siya muna kayo. Ano? Sa trade center pa yata ang exit. Ay, ayun. Ayun, oh. Yan nila binuksan. Dito na tayo papasok.
Plato sa first.
10 kilometers, 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. Parehas lang naman yan. Kasi kung 10 kilometers dito sa Dubai Mall. Ang 5 kilometers doon sa may Financial. Depende sa'yo kung didiretso ka doon sa 10 kilometers.
Dito lang sa 5. Parang kukunti ngayon.
Wala pa, nasidatingan pa lang, oh. Ayun, oh, nasa kabila. Sabi mo ko konti kasi pagdatingan pa lang yung mga iba. Dito tayo.
10 lang.
Parehas lang yan.
Mamaya dyan punuan na yan. Narang tayo sa punuan.
Isa lang naman din ang daan yan. Wala namang ano.
Pero makisiksikan yan, mama. Kailangan ano lang dito sa gilid para makapag-iksik tayo, mama. Is it chick side, ha? So you want the other side?
May pagdating natin doon sa gitna, hindi natin makano kasi doon ang ano eh, doon ang start eh.
Ay, yung dati na, doon pa.
Doon sa may tapat ng ano na yun, yung bilog na building. Mga drone.
I think we can get loud right now. Let's see how loud we can get already. If you're at the start line, let's make some noise.
Chris, it's just not loud enough, is it? Dubai. Chris, go again. We've got this, Dubai. We need you to be louder this morning.
I was going to say, you know it's a party when the Backstreet Boys are on. If you know it, sing it nice and loud. What I love about this fun run, it is all ages. We love seeing the kids come out, mums and dads, well done on bringing out the kids nice and early. I know it's not easy to get it all set up, but you've done a great job, should I say. So again, no matter where you're from around the world, welcome to Dubai. Just a sea of people coming through right now. We are set to get underway around 6:30 this morning. We've got our 2 runs. Don't forget our 10 days and our 5 days.
And of course, Miss Chris Fade on the right side for your 10K runners.
Yan yung X4 na gamit ng mama. X4. Ayan o, may stick. Ayan o. Kahit ganun mo lang yan, nakano yan.
We can feel your energy, we can hear. We will get our run underway In the meantime, we've got our music playing nice and loud. DJ's got 4 short line in the mix right in front of you. Katie over on the top right hand. I'm on Bruce Wayne over on this side. We're having a beautiful, beautiful morning with you. We're about to make some amazing memories as we are the fittest city in the world. And we're going to Fitness Challenge. 30 minutes for 30 days starts the habit to get you underway for the rest of the year.
Now we know that the Dubai Fitness Challenge, there are hundreds of free events to get involved in all the way up until the 30th of November. This year, we also have Dubai Yoga, one of our 4 flagship events, and there is still time to sign up for Dubai Yoga, so definitely get involved. I'm sure you've been involved in all 4 of our flagship events this year. And there is still so much going on around the city, and you are part of something ending. And Dubai Run 2025 presented by MyTime. Looking out for those inflatable costumes. I know there's been 300 of them handed out randomly in the holding pen. Looking forward, we're going to give you a shout out to see you in those costumes. We'll also try and shout out as many of you as possible. You'll see myself and Chris Spade. We're about, I don't know, 10, 15 metres in the air just by the start line. Make sure you give us a wave. We'll give you the energy to get you going.
Doon, yung may ano na yun, oh. May parang frame na yun sa gitna.
Presented by My Dubai. Katie Overy, myself, Chris Spade. We are here this morning to have some fun and make some memories together. We will be getting underway at around 6:30 this morning. Still thousands of you coming from the metro as we get one of the biggest runs in the world on today.